These 4 shocking wolf encounters might make you paranoid of the outdoors forever. Number 1. Justin from the Limitless Outdoors YouTube channel had the fear of his life after coming face to face with an entire pack of hungry wolves, all while being completely unarmed. Having heard howls on a nearby mountain, he decides to let out a few calls with the help of his whistle in order to grab their attention.
What a day not to have a gun.
After only 5 minutes, members of the pack already start appearing right down the hill, seemingly curious to find out what that noise was. This is probably where I'd call it a day and decide to run for my life, but Justin still tries to get them to come closer by letting out a few more hunting calls. The 2 hungry man-eaters stare at the man for a few tense minutes, but eventually decide to spare him to go back with the others who already started leaving. I truly hope that Justin realizes how lucky he is to still be alive. Number 2. In northern Ontario, an unarmed man on a simple snowmobile decided to purposely locate and chase down a threatening lone wolf on a frozen lake. Most likely scared by the noise emitted by the vehicle, the animal immediately sprints away and begins running in zigzags. The wolf comes close to losing the man a few times, but its speed is unfortunately no match for the snowmobile. At some point, the man comes inches away from fatally hitting the predator with his vehicle a few times, but never succeeds in doing so. Eventually, the man gets fed up with chasing the animal and shuts off his camera to get back to camp while he still can. Let's hope that that wolf doesn't come back for revenge in the middle of the night. Number 3. On Nootka Island in British Columbia, YouTuber Dave Bazette and his friend had a shockingly close encounter with a lone wolf looking for its pack. Having just landed on the island, both men immediately start recording as they spot the predator coming down from the forest up ahead. It immobilizes not too far away in order to let out a few loud howls, most likely trying to locate its pack. Both parties continue howling at each other for a few more minutes before the predator, unfortunately, decides to come get a closer look at its potential dinner. Despite the wolf being right there and clearly showing no fear, the 2 friends continue acting completely normally while still letting out a couple more howls. Finally, having likely heard the calls from its pack in the distance, the animal thankfully turns away and runs back up the beach into the woods. Those 2 men should thank God every day that that wolf wasn't joined by its pack of man-eaters. Number 4. While turkey hunting by himself, a man completely froze in fear after being stalked by a rather curious white wolf looking for breakfast. This chilling clip starts off with the hunter filming something unknown roaming around the tree line in front of him. Still trying to identify the animal, he proceeds to let out a few turkey calls in order to lure it closer.
It's a wolf. Wow.
Luckily, having probably spotted a different prey up ahead, the animal sprints away to the left of the tree line and disappears in the wilderness. This situation could have gone wrong in so many ways that I'd rather not think about it. Thanks for watching until the end. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications if you would like to see more videos like these. See you in the next one.